Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in today's video I am going to be showing you how to create a campaign in Mailchimp. We all know that Mailchimp is a very good email marketing software, and it's actually very popular, especially among small businesses. It has everything you need to perform um, email marketing to its fullest, and it is kind of also cheap, so I think that is why it is popular also. So you can have everything for your email marketing success, and even at an affordable price. Yeah, so let's get started on how to create a campaign in Mailchimp. Okay, so right now I am in my Mailchimp account, and I want to click on, then I am going to click on campaigns, and I'm going to click on all campaigns. Yeah, and I'm going to click on create. Yeah, so I will be asked if I want to create a if I want to design an email or create a journey or a landing page. So I am creating an email, so I'm going to click on design email. Okay, so now it is going to ask me which subscribers I want to send this email to. So you can edit recipients, and you can say all subscribers in audience, or you can choose whichever tag you have used, or you can add in the preview segment of Mailchimp, and you can also add those who you do not want to receive this email, so they do not send. Then you can click whichever tags you want to include. So you can change the audience in here, whichever one you want to pick. I only have one audience, which is CRM instructor, so I am picking that. So we want to also click on this checkbox, the personalized send to field, and the match tag. We are going to be picking the first name and the last name. So that means it is going to instead of you say at example.com, you are going to be sending to the real name of the lead. Okay, so you are going to click on save. Yeah, so for the subject, we are going to be creating a welcome email. Yeah, so we are going to be editing the form. We can edit this to your name. You can add in your name, and this CRM instructor, this email will remain the same. Then I want to click on save. Okay, so now there is a clause here. Just because for the sake of this tutorial, that is why I am using my Gmail account. It is actually advisable for you to use your domain account, that means your business account. If you're going to be using your general Gmail account, there's every high possibility of it going to spam. So that is why it's advisable to use a business email to send your email campaigns in any of the email marketing software you are using. So your domain emails are the best to use to send campaigns. Just for the sake of this tutorial, I am going to be using my Gmail account. So now I want to add in my subject. So it is welcome to CRM instructor, and we are excited to connect. So you can add in a preview text. That the preview text is the one that is going to show below your subject line. Okay, we've added in the preview text, so I'm going to click on save. And for the send time, you can add in whichever send time you want to use. So you can edit the send time to send now, or you can schedule this email to go out in the future. Yeah, so before I can schedule, I need to upgrade, and because I am using the free account, I cannot use the scheduling. So I am just going to click on send now, and I'm going to click on save. For my content, I want to design this email. Yeah, so you can use the free templates they have in here, and you can customize it to fit into your needs or your business. But for the sake of this tutorial, I am going to be starting from scratch. Okay, so I am going to start from scratch, and I'm going to click on apply. Yeah, so this is my editor, and what I want to do is I want to add in the different elements I want to use. So I can add in the heading, the paragraph, the button, the divider, the spacer, the image, the logo, the creative assistance, the video, and my socials, and my survey, my code, and my apps, and product recommendation. So what I want to do is I want to create a very simple email template or very simple email campaign. So I am just going to add in an heading, and we can use whichever background. So we are using the plain one, and change the padding if you want. So you can add in the heading, And you can also put in whatever you want to put in for the heading. Okay, so that will be for our heading. Then click on done. Then we want to add in a paragraph after the image. Okay, so now I want to add in this image, and I'm thinking of adding in my logo. So I am just going to use a random logo for this, a random image for this. So I'm going to set my logo. So that means I can drag and drop in whatever my logo is going to be, and I'm going to click on open. So I can reduce or I can increase the scale of how the logo is going to look, or I can make it just original, but that is not it. So I can increase it to whichever size I want. So I'm just going to reduce it a little bit. So we can also add in an image. I am going to be uploading an image from my computer, and I'm just going to pick a random image for now. So I'm going to add this and click on open. Okay, so I have added in my image. So below the welcome, I want to add in a paragraph text. So I'm just going to drag in this paragraph text and put it in here. So I want to write in a paragraph text in here. Okay, so I'm going to add this paragraph text there, and I'm going to make the text align to the side. So I'm going to make it align to the left hand side, and I'm going to click on this, yeah, and I'm going to bold in this. Yep, so that is good to go. So what I want to do also is I want to make sure that this text is aligned and there is no extra space in there. So I'm going to delete this and delete this. Okay, so now before we get to this place, I want to include hello. Then I click on enter, then followed by the first name of each of the contacts. What I'm going to do is I'm going to use the match tag, which is in here. So I'm going to be using the first name, then hello first name, then a comma. So I have added in, so this will automatically populate all the first name of the lead into the email campaign. So what I want to do next is I want to add in the text for the down part. So here is the text for the down part, and I want to edit this and add in my email address. Okay, so I have added in my email address, and I want to add in a button after this. So I'm going to click on done, and I can add in a divider if I want. So I can add in my divider here. I can add in a spacer between the divider and my button. So I can add it in here and increase the height of the spacer. So I can increase whatever I want. So I want just lead to, and I am going to click on done. And what I want to do is I want to drag in a button also. So I can click on this and edit this, and I can include the link which I want this button to lead to. So this is the website that this button is going to link to, and I can align to the left, to the right, and to the center. I can make it round, I can make it square and full, and also I can change the color of this button. I can also change the border of this button. So I'm going to leave it the way it is, and I'm going to click on done. And I can also add in a video if I want. Yeah, so you can enter a URL which you can insert this URL to this video, so that anybody coming in for the first time can be able to see the video, maybe about your business or about your company. And I want to add in the URL to one of my videos on YouTube. So I have added that in, then I can click on done. So when that is done, and as you can see, my video is already in my email template. And also you can add in your socials in here. So my Facebook, my Instagram, and whichever one, I can add in another one if I want. Yeah, I can add in, or I can pick in whichever I want, whether it's TikTok or Spotify or Pinterest, whichever one. Then I include the link into all of them. So After making sure that you put in the current link, you can also delete some if you don't want it. And when you are done, you click on done. Okay, so you can also drag in a survey if you want to create a survey to ask different questions. You can use the survey you have already, or you can create a new one. And you can also add in a an HTML code or whichever code you have, and just drag that in a piece of code. And after inputting your code, you click on done. And I'm going to delete this. I don't have a code. Then you can integrate different apps into this email campaigns. Maybe your Instagram app, your Google Business. Yeah, they add event calendar link and a lot more. So when you add in the happy button, also you can also add in the product. You can add in the product only when you've been able to connect your e-commerce website to Mailchimp account. That means you have to connect your e-commerce store to Mailchimp for you to be able to add a product in a product recommendation. So that is for that. After making sure that everything is good the way you want it, what you want to do is you want to click on um, preview. You can preview first to see how it looks like, and after you see and you see it is okay, you have everything in there. You can click on the mobile to see how it will look on mobile and how it will look in the inbox. Okay, so after that you can click on close. So you can also send a test email if you want. You can send a text email to maybe yourself just to see how the email is going to look like before you send it out to your audience. And after finishing all of this, what you want to do is you want to click on save and exit. Okay, so now we have our campaign ready to go out, and we have everything set. So you can click on send, or you can click on finish later. But if you have everything ready, all you need to do is just click on send, and it is going to send out to the contact in your audience. So if I click on send, everything is going to go out to my contact. Yeah, so I click on send now. Yeah, and that is how to send a campaign to your audience in your Mailchimp account. Okay, so I hope you've been able to gain a lot in this video. So please do like and share this video, and also give this video a thumbs up, and also do not forget to subscribe to my channel to get more of this tutorial. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.